Good morning, children. In today's module, we will continue with the direct and indirect speech. In the previous modules, we had already discussed about what is a direct and indirect speech, and we also discussed the 4 steps of transformation of a sentence from direct to indirect. The 4 steps of transformation, we'll quickly go through it once again. Step 1, to divide the sentence into reporting verb and reported speech. Step 2, to identify the tense of reporting verb. Step 3, identify the kind of sentence of the reported speech. And step 4, transform. That means to change the sentence from direct to indirect. Now, when we talk of third step of transformation, which says identify the kind of sentence of the reported speech, in that context, we had already discussed the 4 kinds of sentences, that is assertive, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. And we have already discussed about assertive sentence, imperative sentence and interrogative sentence in relation to direct and indirect speech. Today we'll discuss about the exclamatory sentence. Before we discuss the exclamatory sentence, let us quickly once again recapitulate the few things which we need to keep in mind while doing the transformation of a sentence from direct to indirect. First thing, when we change an interrogative sentence or an imperative sentence from direct speech to indirect speech, the connective that is not used. Second, the connective that is supplied in the indirect speech when the reported speech has an assertive or an exclamatory sentence. That means when we change an assertive or an exclamatory sentence from direct to indirect speech, then the connective that is used. Let us once again recapitulate the few changes which takes place when we transform a sentence from direct to indirect speech. Now becomes then, here becomes there, ago becomes before, thus changes to so, today that day, tomorrow in a direct speech changes to the next day in indirect speech. Yesterday becomes the day before or the previous day. Last night becomes the night before or the previous night. Another thing which we need to keep in mind, when in the reporting verb the word said to is there, like Mohan said to me, then when we change it into indirect speech, the said to changes to told. Now let us discuss exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence has a sign of an exclamation after it, which changes into a full stop in the indirect speech. And in indirect speech, the exclamatory phrase or word, that is the interjection which is used, is replaced by exclaimed with, joy or sorrow or regret or surprise or fear or contempt, etc. Now that depends on which interjection has been used. So the reporting verb said becomes exclaimed with. Let us take an example of an exclamatory sentence. The boy said, "Hurrah, we have won the match." We have won. When we transform this sentence into indirect speech, the answer will be, the boy exclaimed with joy that they had won. Now here, what changes do we notice? The boy said, "Hurrah, we have won." When we change this, the boy exclaimed with joy. So here said is replaced with the word exclaimed with. Now here, since it is hurrah, so it is an expression of joy, so it will become expressed with joy. And we had just now discussed that the connective that is used in an exclamatory sentence, so the connective that is there. They, now since we is there, so we becomes they had won. Why had? Because the reporting verb is in past tense. So the reported speech, the verb have, which is in present, becomes past in the indirect speech. Some common exclamatory phrases are: hurrah or ha is an expression of joy. Alas, oh, expression of sorrow, regret or loss. Bravo is an expression of applause. What, oh, how is an expression of surprise. Some other expressions are exclaim with delight or fear or disapproval. This is how we can use these exclamatory phrases when we change into indirect speech. Now today's assignment of exclamatory sentence. First sentence, the old man said, alas, I have lost my purse. Now when we change this, the answer will be the old man exclaimed with sorrow that he had lost his purse. So alas is an expression of sorrow. Next one, the child said, what a beautiful sight. When we change, the answer will be the child exclaimed with delight, because the child is delighted by the sight which is beautiful. So with delight that it was a beautiful sight. Third, the candidate said how difficult the problem is. Answer, the candidate exclaimed with regret that the problem was difficult. So what do we notice over here? Everywhere in every exclamatory sentence, the connective that has been used, and these reporting verb is said